Well, hello there. This morning I just finished planting my pawpaw seeds that I got out of the fruit that I got at the farmer's market this morning. If you've never had a pawpaw, it's like a super creamy, soft mango mixed with like a very ripe sweet persimmon, and the marriage is heaven. So I have planted the seeds and hope that they will germinate in the spring after they've gotten frozen this summer. After they get frozen this winter, because that's apparently what they want for their lives. While I was out there though, I couldn't help but notice that I had 3 containers of potatoes that I have yet to harvest. These are not the original container potatoes that I planted the alien potato in this video that I will link. These are later planted potatoes, but I have not been a very good potato plant mother to these batch of potatoes. I started them, I was very dutiful about watering them. The air conditioning is about to ruin it. Where was I? Oh, I watered them very well and took care of them when they were all vigorous and green, but then a lot of life stuff happened, and I guess I could make a video about all the different life changes that I've had. If you follow my Instagram, one minute I was an event planner planning a fishing tournament for 900 fishermen, and the next minute I was teaching kids how to make pesto in a middle school. So all that stuff happened and I forgot to water my potato plants. I would walk by them and I would see them drooping in the hot summer sun, and I would say, I will water you when I come back from work today. And then I didn't. And then we went to Canada and I didn't water them while I was there either. And so this will be the experiment to show you what happens if you're a bad potato parent. I have dug around a little bit in the soil, so I know there are some potatoes in each pot. I also know that one of my containers is a sugar ant's nest. So when you're watching the footage and you see me flicking dirt away, it's probably because there's a whole swarm of them that are trying to crawl over me. And yes, they don't bite, but it's still not the best sensation. And a different container that I have them growing in is a potting soil bag, and I'm pretty sure that one should have some decent potatoes. The third one is an actual container, like a real pot for flowers, but it's deciding that it wants to make new growth all of a sudden, so I'm not very positive that it's got some potato harvest possibilities, probably at all. There's probably just a mother potato and that's it. But throughout all of my potato growing history, I have never had a potato pot not at least grow a few potatoes. And it's just me tonight for dinner, so I'm hoping that we have enough for me to use as a side dish, either for like whole potatoes, or maybe I'll like boil them with crab oil and butter and like saute them and get them crispy and it'll be delicious. I'm thinking that's probably my option, but we will see how many potatoes we get. And I'm gonna put this probably on like a speed up or a time lapse. That way you guys are not listening to all of the traffic noise going on that inevitably is louder in these videos than it is in real life. So for your benefit, this will be on time lapse and I will come back to show you what we harvest. So I will see you then. So we ended up with potatoes after all. Yeah, potatoes for dinner. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you next time. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get a little bing bing whenever I post next. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!